Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you again. Or, well, hear you.
Yes, exactly. We are very happy you are spending your time with us today.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you're new here, subscribe. We have new conversations every week to help you learn English step by step.
So, Charles, I am very excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today, we are talking about something very personal and very important.
We are talking about our homes.
Ah, home. There is a famous saying, home is where the heart is.
That is so true. Our home is our special place.
Today, we will learn how to describe where we live.
We will talk about houses, apartments, rooms, and furniture.
And we will also talk about the people we live with.
It is a great way to practice English because we see our homes every single day.
Exactly. So, Rachel, let's start with the big question. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Oh, an apartment. Is it in a big building?
Yes, it is. My building has 10 floors.
Wow, 10 floors. Which floor do you live on?
I live on the 4th floor.
The 4th floor. That's a good height. Do you use the stairs or the elevator?
I usually use the elevator. I am a little lazy.
I understand. 10 floors is a lot of stairs.
What about you, Charles? Do you live in an apartment too?
No, I live in a house.
Oh, a house. That's nice. Is it a big house?
No, it is a small house, but it has a small garden in the front.
A garden. I love gardens. Do you have flowers in your garden?
Yes, I have some red roses and a very big tree.
That sounds beautiful. I wish I had a garden.
Well, you have a balcony, right?
Yes, I have a small balcony. I have some plants there.
See? That is like a tiny garden.
You are right. It is my tiny apartment garden.
So let's go inside. Rachel, tell us about your apartment. How many rooms does it have?
Let me think. It has a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and one bedroom.
That sounds perfect for 1 or 2 people.
Yes, it is very cozy. Do you know the word cozy, Charles?
Oh, I love that word. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and nice.
Exactly. My living room is very cozy.
What makes it cozy?
Well, I have a big, soft sofa. It is gray.
A gray sofa. Do you like to sit there and watch TV?
Yes, I do. And I have many colorful pillows on the sofa.
Pillows make everything better.
They really do. I also have a small rug on the floor.
A rug. Is it soft?
Very soft. My feet are always warm.
That is important. In my house, the living room is a bit bigger.
Oh? What do you have in your living room?
I have a wooden coffee table in the middle.
A coffee table for your coffee.
Yes, you know me, Rachel. I need my coffee.
We both love coffee.
I also have a bookshelf against the wall. It is full of books.
Wow, a bookshelf. I need one of those. My books are just in a pile on the floor.
Oh no, you should get a shelf. It makes the room look very organized.
You are right. Step by step, I will make my home better.
That's the spirit. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen.
Me too. I love to cook.
Is your kitchen big or small?
It is quite small, but it has everything I need.
Like what?
It has a fridge, a stove, and a microwave.
A fridge for the food and a stove for the cooking.
Yes, and I have a small table with 2 chairs.
Only 2 chairs?
Yes, I usually eat alone or with one friend.
My kitchen is different. I have a big dining table.
A dining table? How many people can sit there?
6 people.
6. Wow, you can have a big dinner party.
Yes, I love having my family over for dinner.
That sounds wonderful. Family time is so important.
It really is. The kitchen is the heart of the home.
I agree. Now, what about the bedroom?
The bedroom is for sleeping and resting.
My bedroom is very quiet. I have a big bed.
Is the bed comfortable?
Oh, yes. It is the best place in the world after a long day.
I feel the same way about my bed.
I also have a desk in my bedroom.
A desk? Do you work there?
Sometimes I have my computer on the desk.
That's good. It's important to have a place for your things.
Yes, and I have a closet for my clothes.
Is your closet full?
Yes, it is very full. I think I have too many clothes.
We all have that problem sometimes.
What about your bedroom, Charles?
My bedroom is simple. I have a bed, a lamp, and a window.
A window? What can you see from the window?
I can see the big tree in my garden.
Oh, that is so nice. Seeing nature when you wake up is beautiful.
It helps me start the day with a smile.
Speaking of starting the day, let's talk about the bathroom.
The place where we brush our teeth?
Yes, my bathroom has a shower and a big mirror.
A big mirror is useful for getting ready in the morning.
It is, but sometimes I look in the mirror and think, I am so tired.
We all do, but then we wash our face and feel better.
Exactly.
So, Rachel, we described the rooms, but who do you live with?
I live alone.
Do you like living alone?
I do. It is very quiet. I can do whatever I want.
That's true. You can play music or watch movies whenever you like.
Yes, but sometimes it is a little bit lonely.
I understand. I don't live alone. I live with my wife and our dog.
Oh, I forgot about your dog. What is his name again?
His name is Buster.
Buster. Is he a good dog?
He is a very good dog. He sleeps in the living room on his own little bed.
Aw, that is so sweet.
So my house is never quiet. Buster is always running around.
I think I prefer my quiet apartment, but I love dogs.
It's all about what makes you happy.
You are right. Now, Charles, I want to share a tip with our listeners.
Oh, I love tips. What is it?
It is a tip for learning English at home.
Great. Tell us.
You can put small notes on the things in your house.
Sticky notes?
Yes, write window and put it on the window. Write fridge and put it on the fridge.
That is a fantastic idea.
Every time you look at the object, you see the English word.
Your brain connects the word to the real thing.
Exactly. No translation, just the object and the English word.
That is a very powerful way to learn.
I did that when I was learning my second language. It helped me a lot.
I have another tip, too.
Oh, tell me.
You can give a house tour to yourself.
A house tour? Like a famous person?
Yes. Walk through your rooms and speak out loud.
This is my kitchen. It is small. I have a stove.
Exactly. This is my sofa. It is soft. I like to sit here.
That is great because no one is listening. You can make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay. The important thing is to speak.
I love that. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my bedroom.
You see, it is fun.
It really is. It makes practicing English feel like a game.
And that is how we learn best, by having fun.
You know, Charles, Describing our home also makes us think about our lives.
What do you mean?
Well, when I say, my apartment is small but cozy, I feel grateful.
Grateful. That is a beautiful word.
It means being happy for what you have.
I agree. Even if our home is not perfect, it is our home.
Yes, maybe someone lives in a very small room. That's okay.
It is your space. It is where you learn, where you dream, and where you study English.
Exactly. Your home is your English classroom, too.
I love that idea.
So don't be afraid of your living situation. Be proud of it.
Use the words you know. Start simple.
I live in a room. It has a bed. I am happy.
Perfect. That is excellent English for a beginner.
You don't need complex words to share your feelings.
That is so true. Sometimes the simplest sentences are the most powerful.
Like, I love my home.
Or, I am learning English.
You can do it, everyone. Believe in yourself.
Step by step, you are getting better.
Okay, Charles, I think it's time for a little recap.
Good idea. Let's review some of the words we used today.
We talked about types of homes, house and apartment.
We talked about rooms, living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom.
We mentioned some furniture, sofa, bed, table, chair, and bookshelf.
And we used some adjectives, big, small, and our favorite word, cozy.
We also learned 2 great tips, using sticky notes and giving yourself a house tour.
That is a lot of great English for today.
It really is. I hope everyone feels inspired to describe their home.
Remember, your home is a great place to practice every day.
Even just 5 minutes of speaking to yourself makes a difference.
Consistency is the key. Do it a little bit every day.
And don't give up. Every word you learn is a victory.
We are so proud of you for being here and practicing with us.
Yes, you are doing a great job.
This has been a wonderful conversation, Rachel.
I agree. I feel very cozy right now just talking about it.
Me too. But now it's time to say goodbye.
Oh, wait. Before we go, we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, do you live in a house or an apartment?
And tell us one thing you love about your home.
Maybe it's your bed, or your kitchen, or even your pet.
We love reading your comments. They make us very happy.
Thank you for being part of our English on the Way family.
Share this episode with your family and friends so they can learn too.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that button.
It was a pleasure talking to you all. Keep practicing.
And keep smiling. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.